This 2018 Keystone Montana 3721RL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Keystone is 39 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 4, awning, DVD player, auxiliary battery, slide-out, skylight, spare tire kit, smoke detector, water heater, stovetop burner, LP detector, and 66 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features kitchen island, mid-kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2018 Keystone Montana 3721RL is 12,855 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.